Hey everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Leon Tech TV, and today in this session we will be continuing on UI UX development series for Appian. Today I have a component that is a field that's called link field. It is an action-based field which is used to connect different type of actionable items that you can connect to this field. So let's understand the documentation of this function and then we can proceed further. So let's start with label. Label is nothing but text to display as a field label. Instruction, which is supplemental text about this field, and then links. Link is of any type which is having, because it is any type because this property is expecting a function which is a list which can be any one of them here. So you can create a link field with a start process link or a safe link or a dynamic link, process task link, document download link, and any other link like this. Then we are having label position, above, adjacent, collapse, or justified. Then we are having alignment, like how do you want to uh, align the value inside the link field inside it. Then we are having help tooltip. This is kind of a common field, and visibility and accessibility text. Accessibility text is for screen readers. So let's quickly practically implement the link field and then we'll be able to understand. A bank link field, label, instructions, and links. Now the links is something that we have to decide what we have to put up. So you can put a safe link. In order to know what is safe link and how to understand, we have to go to the documentation of safe link. Safe link is nothing but an external linking function which is used to link your field, which is used to link your current Appian screen to an external interface. So links can be used in charts, grids, hierarchy, browsers, images, link fields, milestone, figures, and rich text. So let's see how it performs. Now I'll be providing a link to my channel, label, and URI. Now if you do open link in configuration, so it you have two options, same tab or new tab. New tab is by default, same tab is like if you want to open it in the same tab, then you can configure. So your link is ready. The link is actually the blue one. The link field label and instruction is making it a little bit confusing. So let me comment it as of now. You can see that gray on tech is available. So the moment we click on this, we will be redirected to our channel. It is because we have used a safe link. Similarly, there are other functions available here. For example, if you want, on the click of the link field, you want a particular document to be downloaded, then you can use document download link. Now that document download link has certain input parameters and output parameters. Like it is used to define links which is are used to download a document. Now the links can be used in charts and stuff and whatever it is mentioned here. Now the thing is, what you have to do with the link field, you have to decide with the list of these functions, which we'll be covering later in the series of this channel. So I'm stopping here because the link field is something that we have to choose. We have chosen as a topic for today, and not only a particular link which is external to Appian, we have various other features of link field that we can utilize here. For example, starting a process, redirecting the Appian to an external website. Then we are having a dynamic link, like it defines a link that triggers and updates to one or more variables. So there are many more features that we can do other than redirecting to another page. So this link field is having more capability, and we can use, as a developer, we can extend the capability as per our own understanding. So that's all about link field today. If you really like my sessions, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and drop down the comment which you want to for a particular topic which you want to study. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.